Hi, welcome back, Donna again, your beloved Android instructor. Let's open latest Photo Math Android app for quick education tutorial. This math app is very helpful for those who want to step-by-step solution of math equations. Also, you will get instant answer of the math equation by capture the question's photo with your mobile camera. Let me show you the result by capturing math problem. So this is the problem. Let's capture this math problem picture with Top Math app. My hand is little shaky, so excuse me for this. Well. You saw how it is quick and easy to get answer of your math question in few milliseconds. Also, if you want, then you can see solving steps of math problem. Now let's solve little tough math prob and see how accurate the math app is. Let's solve algebra equation now. Wow! Problem has been solved. You will also solve algebra equations with different variations which you can see in mobile screen. Let me give you another example by solving difficult math equation. Well, it's done, our subscribers. Now see the solving steps, how to solve this math question by best math app for Android.